Oh yeah, we're up here, boys. I think we can get it, but let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. Tree first though, to get these down.
Put this cluster. Use these big ones.
Or do we just push them over? I think we'll be all right. This is the only one here that we may have to pull, but I don't think it's going to be a problem. These here are going to drop that way.
Yeah.
We'll pull this one. Let these fall there, and we'll okay. Yeah, I think we're good. Looks like a non-climbing day, like every other day.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Oh, no throw ball. What happened? Somebody didn't put a throw ball back on here.
When's the last time it was used?
When we did the job.
Oh yeah. When
Mason. Mason.
I'll go. What do you need?
I need a throw ball. See if there's an extra throw ball in the drawer.
There is.
Mason, I got our pulley. You can see it right here. 12 o'clock. There's a fur in the way, but you see,
I see it.
That's where we're gonna
It's like
be pulling to.
11:55.
Where's the other throw ball? Did you grab another one? Did you check the drawer to see if there was any in there?
I just grabbed this extra bag.
We're missing a throw ball from this.
I'll go.
So you lost another one. That's $70.
Ooh.
No. Here, you're fired. Get away from me.
I'm stepping on both.
No, you're not. And then you see the open sign?
Yeah.
Oh, that's because it's not put away, right? You're hired.
I was tripping for a second. There we go.
That's Mason.
Is that the ball?
Ah! It almost made it through. That's the height I want. Oh, no. Oh, ye of little faith. Tree, the better pull you have, the lower, the more strength you need to pull it over, because it's like a pendulum. The higher you are on the tip, easier, the less power you need to pull it over. All right, come on now, be nice to me. Oh, it was right there. Oh, did I get it? Manipulate time. Ah.
Keep it, Matt.
Let me see here. Let me think about this for 1 second. If I come back this way. I want to be on the other side. If this was on that side, I would say yeah, but you notice how the rope goes through, right?
Yep.
And it's gonna pull. There's nothing behind the rope that it's pulling. If it was on the other side, it would be going around and then down, and it would have the tree to pull on. Okay, that's what you're looking for.
Hey, that bag is good to go.
Awesome, thanks, Kevin. That's
Why
why you're my main guy. Can you hear me, Kevin? Yeah. How much more do I gotta go on this side? tie-in, or I'm gonna have to climb it. Unfortunately, Nick, hop over there and pull this white rope through it. Let Nick do it, Kevin. Just show him how to do it, but I want him to do it. Yeah, limit. Well, now it's a walk. That's on it quick. We're gonna slip and fall. That's alright, you already cut it now. And it looks better. That's great. Ah!
Keeping that?
Jesse, pretty soon you're going to be calling me the redhead Matthew McConaughey. Handsome, just like him, have the same hair.
That's not what I wanted. Yeah, let's do it. Hook up the rope to this piece, so that's probably around 100 and something now.
Yo, Mace turns around and looks where the buckles from his chaps, bro, they're tightened all the way.
Really?
That's how skinny his
Are they
legs
really?
His right leg, they're like, oh.
Look at that hole he's got there. Why aren't you wearing the new one?
Because just in case you wanted to. And
Well, there's two pair.
Kev.
Oh.
Kev. But also, like, low-key, I'm kind of short, I think, because they are long.
You are short. You're the shortest one here by a mile, bro.
I mean, by a mile?
Yeah, you're tiny, bro. You're a little
By
guy.
a mile?
You're a little guy.
Me and you
Little.
are the same height. Me and you same height. Guaranteed.
No.
Me and Jesse are both taller than you.
No, we're
both
yeah,
bigger than you.
we are.
We're
Your
both
hair is
wider
like
than
6
you.
feet tall.
Yeah, you got
But
like
the bottom of your forehead stops at like 5'3", and then the rest of your forehead raises you up.
Yeah, top of your forehead comes to my nose.
Raises you up. Raises you right up.
Nick, you see the back of his chest? They're tight all the way. You can't make them things more tight, bro.
Dang. You got no legs.
I just don't. And you're gone. I just would rather have them really tight.
Can you please
loose.
show Jesse
Loose
behind
it
your
all.
one leg, dude? Turn around for Jesse. Look at his one leg. Get on top. You can't even tighten him just a more.
That's crazy. Keep forward. Forward. Good job, boys. God, he runs so fast, doesn't he? I got you. Good work, boys. Teamwork makes it. Hold on now. Simmer down. Hold on. With the luck in my money, you're right. Go ahead. Go for it. Careful now, we got some 100-foot trees coming down. 90 plus at least. He just ran. Look, he just ran around the corner, scared, up towards the light.